Hi, my name's Harry. I'm the Head of Training here at COPTRZ. Today I'm going to be talking you through the COPTRZ Academy platform. COPTRZ Academy is a holistic learning platform which allows you not only to build your skills in the drone industry by taking your A2 CofC and your GVC, but it also allows you to build yourself as a whole by adding in more selective courses to help you develop your professional skills outside of the drone industry. This allows you to develop not only your professional but also your personal skills in order to completely dominate the sector that you're operating in. As part of this, you can sign up to a number of mini MDAs, which is a Master in Drone Applications. These are in a number of sectors and allow you to build the key and core skills that are applicable to that sector. Using these courses, you can not only become an expert in drone operation, but also using your drone as a tool in that specific industry. As you're working your way through the COPTRZ Academy platform, you will have constant support from the training team if required. We have two trainers, Tom and Dan, who will help support you with any of the course content that you're struggling with. If you do need to get in contact with us, please don't hesitate to email training@coptrz.com.